Be right back. I haven't even readjusted you yet. I'm gonna take this out. Okay. And let's see the parts. Let's see what all parts come with it. Okay. All right. It even comes with the install guide, and they even have a how-to video. Can you believe that? Okay, so you can read all that, and I'm gonna kind of look at this, and I wasn't sure if this came with it or not, and it does. You see that's the thing that we're going to connect onto the top of the pipe, and it splits like right here just a little bit. See, it's hard to see, but you need just a little, and it will go down on the actual pipe that goes down, and then your little rubber hose fits from there over. I wasn't sure if we were going to be using this white piece that kind of comes down and hangs down. I guess we're not going to have to use that part. Okay, so I couldn't remember. I don't install these that often. Okay, but when I do, I can do it. I can do it myself. Okay, so I just lift that off like that, and now I can take this off. Before I take it off, let's just look at this. Usually I like the head of that to be about flush with the top of the toilet tank, in case the toilet lid. I don't want the toilet lid to ever hit. See how much higher that is? Look at that. It's about 3/8 of an inch, and it can, because see this toilet lid. See how it's concaved out quite a bit. Some toilets aren't like that, and so you have to kind of remember how high your existing one is. I'm gonna make the other one just a hair lower than that, I think, because you can adjust the height of that. Okay, so now I've got my knee pad. I always like to use my knee pad. You know, when you get up there in age, you try kneeling down very long, doing some work, and you'll understand why it's a good reason to invest in one of those. Okay, so now I'm just gonna loosen up the nut on the bottom, and this toilet fill valve is going to lift right out of there. Okay? You see anything hard about this just yet? Is there a reason why you've decided you didn't want to do it yourself, or why you've thought you had to call a plumber in order to do this? Okay? See, there's just, this thing's so old, there's some water that got inside the float assembly, but see, that's it. And see this thing here, this is the adjustment. You push up on that, and then you can unscrew this in or out, and that'll raise or lower this. Okay, I'm not even going to take this off, and when I get all done with this, I might even put this back in the box that the new one came in. All right. And I could store that if I wanted, in case I ever need to use this on another toilet, because some toilets, believe it or not, don't have anything like this. They might have a little S hook or something that this pipe hooks on, or maybe the S hook fell off years ago. They only had an S hook. It's like that, and that pushes on the top edge of your drain. And when I say drain, you see this pipe here? That's your drain. That's where the water goes down there and stuff, okay? So we have to hook it on there. Years ago, they only had a little S hook, it's called. And then that, you hook part of that on your rubber tube, and then you hook the other part on there. Well, if you ever lost that S hook, some people, it's like the hook's gone, and so they don't know what to do with the rest of their pipe. See, this pipe is designed to not go down not go down here. And that's what the S-hook used to hold. Well, if you don't have the S-hook, you can't just leave this loose or just barely push it down, because then the water, then when you turn the water on, it flies up like that and spraying. So lots of people would push it down in there. That's a no-no. You never want to do that, because that'll siphon the water, believe it or not. It'll siphon water out of your tank into your bowl. And every 15 minutes, you're like, I wondered how come my toilet keeps filling up? How come it keeps draining? Well, it could be that. There's two other reasons too, but that's one. Okay, so we've got that out. All right, and now I'm just gonna go around that with my sponge a little. Okay, and now I'm ready for the next step. What is the next step, by the way? Have you figured it out yet?